In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through a beautiful short story called The Café of Second Chances. This story is perfect for improving your listening, vocabulary, and understanding of natural English sentences. It teaches us an important message. Everyone deserves a second chance. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. The Strange Café. It is a cold and rainy morning. Emma, a 22-year-old university student, is running to catch the bus. She is tired, stressed, and late for her class again. As she runs across the street, her umbrella breaks and her notebook falls into a puddle of water. Emma sighs and says, "Today is going to be a terrible day." When she reaches the bus stop, the bus has already left. She feels hopeless. The Strange Café. To stay dry, Emma walks into a small cafe she has never seen before. A wooden sign above the door says, "The Café of Second Chances." Inside, the cafe is warm and quiet. Soft music plays in the background. The smell of fresh coffee makes Emma relax. Behind the counter, an old man with a white beard smiles at her. "Welcome," he says. "Take a seat. Every customer gets something special here." Emma is confused, but sits at a small table near the window. The mysterious drink. The old man brings her a cup of hot chocolate. Emma says, "I didn't order anything." The old man replies, "You don't choose the drink. The drink chooses you." Emma laughs a little, thinking it's just a joke. But when she takes the first sip, she suddenly remembers something important. Her dream of becoming a writer. A dream she forgot because of stress, exams, and daily life. The drink somehow made her feel warm, hopeful, and full of energy. 3 conversations. While Emma is drinking, 3 different people enter the cafe. 1, a young man who failed his job interview. He looks sad. The old man tells him, "Failure is not the end. It is the beginning." The man leaves with a smile. 2, a woman who lost her phone. She is angry and stressed. The old man tells her, "Nothing is truly lost. You will find something better." The woman calms down. 3, a boy who broke his guitar. He thinks he will never play music again. The old man says, "Your hands make music, not your guitar." The boy laughs and leaves happily. Emma watches these conversations and feels something changing inside her. Emma's realization. Emma stands up and walks to the old man. "Why did you give me this drink?" she asks. The old man answers, Because you need a second chance. A chance to believe in yourself again. Emma feels tears in her eyes. He continues, "You're not late. You're not weak. You simply lost your way for a little while." The words touch her heart. A new beginning. Emma leaves the cafe with a warm smile. The rain has stopped. The sky looks brighter. She takes out her wet notebook and begins writing a story. The first story she has written in months. She whispers, "Maybe today isn't a terrible day. Maybe it's the beginning." She looks back to see the cafe again. But it's gone. Only an empty street remains. Emma smiles. She knows the cafe will appear again for someone who needs a second chance.